everyone. So, guys, how are you all? I hope that all will be doing great. Again, I'm here for talking to you in English, and please, first of all, please do not consider me that I'm here for teaching you English. I do not teach English. Really, I do not teach. I just make people believe that they can do anything. They can learn English easily, as I have learned. Before I think before 3 months ago, I was not able to convey my thoughts. I was not able to express my thoughts in English language in this way. But when I started doing my speaking practice, so that time, from that day and today, I got so much improvement. I have improved a lot, and in this video, I'm just gonna teach you by words, by my words. I'm gonna teach you, I'm gonna let you know how can you improve your speaking skill. So if you want to know the method, if you want to know the strategy that I have followed, and because of that I'm here for talking in English, and I'm able to convey my thoughts easily. So if you want to convey your thoughts easily, so you have to, and you need to watch this video until it ends. So without any delay, let's get into the topic. And first of all, you must be thinking that I have put on two sweater because it is very cold weather, and I feel very cold. Really, I feel very cold. That is why I have put on two sweater, and I'm making this video just because of not doing any practice. Today I haven't done my speaking practice, and I was just feeling frustrated. I was just feeling frustrating that I haven't done anything for my English. So this is the time that this time I got free time, and usually I do not get free time in this time, but today I'm free, so I decided that I must utilize this time, and that is why I'm here. So guys, if I talk about strategy of learning English language, so there is no strategy. You have a strategy that you want to follow. You can make a strategy according to yourself. Suppose that I followed my speaking practice. I was believing on self talking, so according to me it was my strategy, and according to you, whatever you think about language learning, that will be your strategy. That all things depends on you. Okay. And there are so many learner who believes on writing, speaking, or reading, listening. So that is their so those are their strategy. But it all depend on you. Do not follow anyone's. Follow your heart, what your mind says to learn this language. Okay, if I say that just listen a lot, and by listening you will understand English. So it is not like that. If I am able to listen a lot, if I am very fast learner, so I can learn easily by listening. But but for we are learning English language for speaking, so we have to speak, है ना, right? So we have to speak. Until we speak, we cannot improve our speaking, because language means sharing our thoughts. So we want to share our thoughts, and we have to convey our thoughts. So we have to speak at any cost. Without speaking, we cannot share our thoughts. We all know about it. And you know whether you do your writing practice or reading practice or not, but at least you have to do speaking practice at least 1 hour whenever you get free time. That time, just try to inculcate those all things from your mind. Whatever you have in your mind, just to try to remove, just to try to deliver those all things in English language. And main thing, for learning English language, what we can do, we can we can exaggerate our daily routine. We can express our daily routine, or our how was my day. Suppose that if I give example, तो ये ऐसा होगा कि अगर if I want to speak about my today's day, so I can speak on this topic. I can make this kind of topic, like we can talk on our habit, we can talk on our day, we can talk about our life. There are so many topics on that we can meet and we can talk. But whenever you start talking, so suppose that if I talk about my today's day, so I will start my speaking from my today when I woke up. So that from that time, this is the way that you can improve, and only by speaking you can improve. There is no any way of learning any language. So guys, till then.